Hello, I'm Faith Bautista with the National Asian American Coalition. I'm here today with Hazel Valeras, she's with Clear Credit, whom NAAC have subcontracted for the credit restoration. Hazel, we have some email questions from some of the home buyers. My credit is bad, I claim bankruptcy. Can I still get my credit cleaned up through Project Restore, and how long does that take?
Absolutely. Anyone can actually join Project Restore if you have an interest in purchasing a home in the future. All home buyers as well as people who have lost their homes. The entire program is approximately 12 months.
And then how much does it cost? Can NAAC provide some low cost to people that can't afford but need their credit restoration?
Absolutely. As a nonprofit organization, NAAC only charges an administrative fee of $99 per month for the full 12 months.
And how do they sign up?
Basically, they could just go onto the website at www.naacoalition.org.
There you go. Thank you so much for joining us, Hazel. So to our viewers, NAAC had approved counseling agency. Kung gusto nyo po ninyong sagutin namin ang tanong ninyo tungkol sa inyong mga problema, especially sa mga credit scoring ngayon, how to restore your credit and build your credit back up and other things, mag-email lang po sa fbautista@naacoalition.org or tumawag sa 650-952-0522. Hanggang susunod po ulit, ako po ay si Faith Bautista.